Let us understand the step-by-step process of amending a quantity-wise work order in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Amend Work Order Quantity-wise form under the Contractors Management module. Select the name of company, project name, work order number, work order date and entry date of the work order. Select the entry type as either work order amendment or cancellation. You can view the activities added to the work order under the Provided Quantity Summary tab. Select specific items or line items to add or delete from the work order. Details such as provided quantity, work order quantity, previous quantity, SRN quantity, bill quantity, rate and unit will be fetched automatically. Manually enter the revised quantity and revised rate. Select the tax code, if applicable. You can update the work order expiry date, if not already specified for a particular line item. Enter remarks, if any. The unbilled quantity will auto-populate based on the SRN and bill quantity. Enter the narration, work description and terms and conditions, if applicable. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of amending a quantity-wise work order is now complete.